This is the Lockly Smart Lock. The patented keypad is powered by Pin Genie, an advanced algorithm system that protects your access codes from being guessed by unwanted guests. Digits are distributed randomly across 4 buttons and are different every time, making it hard to guess the correct sequence. An advanced 3D fingerprint sensor can store up to 99 fingerprints and only recognizes physical fingers, preventing the use of lifted or replicated prints, allowing those registered access. With the app, you'll be able to manage who comes and goes and grant access to guests even if you're not there. Best of all, with Lockly's patent-pending offline access code, Lockly is the only smart lock in the world that does not need to connect to the internet to receive access requests and allows guests to unlock with their unique access code. The codes automatically get revoked after your preset duration, making remote management simple even if your lock is located in a location without internet access. Lockly Secure works universally for most doors and is available in Deadbolt and Latch editions. Lockly, come home secure, essential to every household.
With the Halo Touch Fingerprint Smart Lock, you can let yourself in with a simple touch. Let your dog walker in with a simple tap. Or let family in with the sound of your voice.
Mom's here!
Alexa, unlock the front door.
Halo Touch Fingerprint Smart Locks, only from Kwikset.
Now that our lock is installed and ready to go, let's register it with our Geek Smart app. When opening the app, we cannot find the lock yet because it has not yet been registered. So to register this one here, LB400, we want to press the little plus button up there on the top right. We arrive at Add Device. We choose Smart Lock. In here we choose the LB400. There we go. Now we are given instructions on how to proceed. We are asked to touch the screen. We're asked to add a Bluetooth administrator. We press Next. We find the nearby door lock. Press here. And we have added an administrator. Of course, you want to remember to activate the Bluetooth on your device. From here, we have a lock interface, and we can see in the top that we can lock and unlock the door here. So let's go ahead and try this and click this green big button here. Unlocked, and we can go ahead and open our lock from the outside. We can also add fingerprint. So we want to go ahead and press the fingerprint management button down here. There we go. No fingerprints have yet to be added, so we press the plus button on the top right and we press Add Fingerprint. We can give the fingerprint a name and we can choose if it's permanent or not. Let's call this Emil, because that is my name. All right, we press Next. And we're asked to sense our scan our fingerprints. One more time. Scan enough time for the lock to learn your fingerprint. Input successful. Now I have added a fingerprint. Let's go ahead and see if it works. Unlocked. From the app interface, you can also add passwords and passcodes. To do this, press the password management button. We arrive at the password management and no passwords have yet to been added. So we press the top right button, plus sign, and we press Add Password. There we go. Here we can choose whether it's a permanent one, a limited time password, a one-time use password, or a custom password. I want to choose a custom password. So here from the custom password interface, I can choose to give it a name or whether it should be permanent and what the password should be. I want to use a permanent password for my friend Mike. So I write Mike as for name and his password should be 12345. Please do choose a safe password. Here you can see my settings. All right, let's go ahead and create it and send it. So when we create a password, we can write an email and he will receive the password in his email box. Now we can go ahead and try Mike's password. Let's see here. We swipe the front face. 12345. Unlocked. From the app interface, we can also add IC cards. And this is our IC card. To add a new IC card, we press the IC card management, and as you can see, no cards have been added, so we press the three dots, we press Add IC card. Here we can choose whether it should be a permanent one, and we can give it a name. Press Next. And we are asked to swipe the card. Input successful. Now, this card, and this card only, can unlock our door. Unlocked. Finally, I can also choose to use keys to unlock my door and my LB400. You can find a keyhole down here. Down here, underneath the lock, you will also find an emergency USB charge in case your lock should run out of power. Thank you for watching. This has been the LB400 from Geek Smart.